wind damage to roofs, siding, and power lines is possible. Locations infected include Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Northtown, Chester, West Deptford, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Denton, Newtown, Woodbury, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Hatboro, Fountain, Fulton, and Ambler. This includes the following earthquakes: Pennsylvania between mile markers 320 and 345. Northeast